We go. Main ticker on my watch list for this morning is AIM. It was the only ticker. We did have another one, NAOV, was it? Micro float rotation during pre-market. Really not my cup of tea. So we have AIM setting up. All the flags are green on this in the filings. It's a really trashy company. Traded in the past. I'm going to take a feeler. If we do get a pop into the J lines here, we have the 200 moving average, and we also have the J lines here. So, and then we also have that 250 right above. So, but I'm not risking 250. I'm not going to risk a lot on this. I'm just going to probably take a feeler in the J lines and see how this plays out. I'm just going to see my locates and see if they change some. I'll get Jay on the mic as well here. He should be on soon. All right. Got my 133 tick chart here.
Okay, traders, let's start. 2 minutes to go.
See how it bounced off this minus 27 here, bounce, bounce, bounce. So I'm just going to be very cautious with it, though. I'm not in a hurry to take this trade.
Non mi piace fare una confusione. Poi sono sfinito.
2 minutes to
So
go.
che perderemo un sacco di soldi. Non voglio fare l'attaccata. I agree with Garford. Not too many things out there. So don't push it, okay? These are not the days that you're looking to make 4 or 5K big trades. So take your profit and go away. $60 seconds.
Ma cosa stupido!
This can be fast if it does pop.
Okay, traders.
I'm just going to go put my locates in. We got less than a minute to go. Locates are in the queue, ready to go.
20 seconds to go. So the first thing I'm looking for is a push, NAOV, and stuff for a short. First I want to see long strap and then short, okay? And AIM, pop and fill. Okay, starting.
Let's do this.
Wait, Apple dip. Starting to push over here, NAOV.
I'll bring NAOV as well.
Pushing. Big resistance 119. Not shorting yet. Let it push it more.
Yeah, this may have just stuffed here. Let's see. I'm not really in a hurry to take it. Just looking at tape. Level 2. Got a big push here.
1 minute Z lines over here. Apple coming down. Second push over here. Let's look. 119, they're eating. Short over here, 117. Risking 120. Your risk must be 119, 118, okay? So this is a perfect stuff on NAOV. Stuff, maximum 2 cents risk. 119 goes out. That's it. Let it go.
I can't short that.
Let it go. We'll still push.
Okay, she's dead.
Second pop. Falling AIM. We want to cover 220 the last. Apple nothing. Nvidia nothing left. Leave it there. %, pullback. This is a 61.70, but we're already above, so leave it there. No trade for now. That makes sense. But there's stopping for it lower than 2. Okay, nice stuff over here. Second stuff at 116. Possible fill coming over here. Start looking for red. This is a nice spot for sure. 116, 117. $120, still holding, refilling the ask. You see it? Big seller 120. If it clears, stop it. This 118, 119 is a low to both. Risking 1 or 2 cents. Okay, see it over here in Bookmap. 120 goes out. So very, very jumpy. We are trading between gap and crap and gap and extension. For now, leave it. Now here, 2 stops, 2 cents. Not trading it for now. Waiting. If this will fail, then we'll look for J-line's rejection. Tesla on the over. Yeah, do not have to look for 4-cent stops or 2 stops. Because when you take the good one is maybe like 20, 30, 15 cents. So we have this algo over here. Coming and going, another seller. VWAP, but it's still not a clear trade. Trend line breakdown, but it's still not a clear trade.
Well, no possible entries. I really wanted to get into this zone more on this here. I wanted that level. It came what? A couple of cents. Could have taken that, but could have, would have. Doesn't pay the bills here.
If you're short, J-line's guide over here, okay? So take profit small at 108.
All right, I'm gonna turn it off here. I really have no edge.
Trader, remember rules, please. So you see algo is pushing this down. AIM coming to 20, less target. Nothing for now in big caps. No commentary, traders. Okay, already told you. Unless you're a pro trader, like Cabo. There's no trade over here, no setup, so no reason to get in. If you're trading now, NAOV is only because you have a risk at this 130 or that you're stubborn. No setup. But then, it's your money, and I know that you're doing as you want.
Just chit-chatting with Nico here. We have, he's short. He took the 200 EMA rejection here, which is good. Starting to get some DMs coming in.
They're holding 115, selling 122. Until we have this zone over here, you don't have any confirmation for a short or a long. Versus 15%, it's already above the 78, so nothing. Probably this will go to 140, 150. Okay. You're rejecting again 122. You see it? Each time we get that 122, 1, 2, and 3, we have a seller. For me, this was pushed to 140, 150, trap all the shorts, and then trap all the longs. Same Vancy. I want to see at 150. They're looking for break at 130, all chat rooms. When you have a microflow like this, flow rotation, no history of previous gaps. We had only one gap. You're trading, I was saying before to the mentoring over here, you're trading a more risky trade for the short side, okay? Scenario is not like AMPE or AAM. Over here, some rejection of pre-market highs, but the volume is strong, 3 million. Careful, if it breaks 130, we'll rip. Don't short it. Don't short it. So many times I saw this coming back down 124 and then push it like 150. So wait. This one, this 40, 50. Breakout 130. It's 941, 942. Push on AIM. Look for a pop and fill. This is a short over here on rejection. Very good on AIM. Let NAOV go. Okay. Strong volume. Look over here on AIM. We had a J-line rejection. Popped the J-lines. Okay. Also 1 minute J-lines with a 3 minute J-lines. On this short, our use over here, 239, 240 maximum stop. Okay, rejection pre-market high on NAOV. Now, if this closes below pre-market high and we have a lower high or secondary push, then we short. Okay. Good over here, Tanqueray got short. How much? 230, 7, 35. Good. Good J-line rejection. Big visitor. Okay, so NAOV. Let's start watching over here for secondary push and stuff. Not in, need to wait confirmation. See the second push coming over here. Nothing yet on big caps. I'm looking for NAV 130, pop and fill that pre-market high, and then again below, and then